Hi everyone, Vanessa here from Angel Rose Designs here on YouTube. And today I'm here to show you all how I add caption to my videos. Okay, this was a request from someone and I wanted to show y'all how I do it. Now here's a video. Let me see something. Okay. Let me see if I can just get this video up. Okay, that's the only screen I want up. Okay, so all I do in the program that I use, which I can see the title right up here, is Moviemaker. I just go here into the caption and it gives me the area so I can add whatever I want. Now, this is a project that I was going to work on. So I decided to use this one so I can show you how I add the caption. So I have the caption area highlighted. So say I wanted to add, this is no, this is not what I want. Scraps. So I'm going to do this from this. And then when I want to enlarge the letters, all I do is press the A with the arrow that goes up and it enlarges it, or I can go here and pick whatever number I want. You see, the larger the number, the larger the letters get. So I can go up to number 72. Okay, and then to get it to do like a flipping action, I can go here. Let me remove this out of the way for now. Let's remove all of that. Oh, well. Go back to the picture. There. I want to remove this. Oh, because I saved it, it won't let me remove it. But say, let's use this for an example. I want to do an animation. So I'll go here to animation. Okay. And pick whatever animation I want. Or I can just stay here. If I click on here, I can make it open. As you see, when it plays, it flips it. So that's another thing you can do. Now to do, I don't know if I can do it on the caption. Let's try it. From this, I'm going to enlarge my caption and go to this here. See, I can make it come from the bottom or from the side. I can make it come from the bottom, or I can make it come in from both sides. And that's how it goes. Now I can make it come in with this. You know, there's a lot that you can do on this program. It's a free program. See? And that's how you do that. Now, that's in the effects. So, if I go back and bring this over here, let's play that. Nope, I want that over here. You see, you can move the bottom. The same thing with the music. When you put music in it, if you have a long video, you can move the music to wherever you want it to be. So say I'm going to go in and add this again, like so. And say I want to add music. Okay, so I'll start here with the music. Okay, I'll pick this one. whatever. Well, it won't let me add music. That's weird. I'll do the music in another video. So, we have how to flip. Now, let's see what else I want to show you guys. I can make it like it's going to turn a page also. I'll show that in another video. See, these are all the different ones that you can use. Like this one. If I put that in there, it does that. Now, in order to fix this here, see, that goes all through the video, but I don't want it to. Let me delete this part. So we got that here, and we can play that one. I'm going to put that over here. Now, that's how you add a caption, okay? So I want to thank you all for watching. Please like, share, and comment. And if you haven't done so already, please do hit that red subscribe button and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the notification bell to get notified of when I upload new content, when I go live, or when I do a premiere. So, happy crafting on a budget, happy everything on a budget, and please be happy, be kind, be blessed, be crafty, be safe, and I will see you all in the next video and on the flip side. Bye-bye for now.